little girl, the lost sheep, soaked in sin and guilt. Oh, worthy yet you poured your love, you poured your love on me. I was naked and cold, I needed covering, fashioned to your taste. Lord, you have dressed me in your righteousness alone.